All right, guys, so today we have a special guest coming in. He just got here. Mr. Carlos Reyes. How you doing, sir? How you been?
Great. By the way, a lot has changed.
It has.
A lot has changed.
Yeah, here comes security.
Hi.
Hi.
What do they do here? They just hang out there in the
Yeah, this is actually our, we mirror what we're going to do training for.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, sir.
So,
wow.
When you walk into our office, your client, you're not just handed a regular glass of water or tap water. You're handed Fiji or sparkling water. Every time when you come in, we want to make you feel some sort of way.
Bro, come on. You guys are so bougie. Fiji? Really?
It's special. We knew you were coming, so we ordered it.
Yeah. Holy smokes. I'm here because I'm tired of running in place, man. I spent well over $10,000 minimum, and I'm not exaggerating.
Yeah.
I spend well over 10 grand a month on content.
Don't you spend, I thought you spent like $250,000 or something like that, no?
$10,000 a month. $250,000, that's my personal development.
Gotcha.
Like, that's my stuff. That has nothing to do with my guys, right? My 2 camera guys, everything else that goes into play, man. Like, the ads that we're starting to run now on YouTube.
Yeah, that's easy, another 2-3K.
It's discouraging, bro.
Yeah.
It's so discouraging, and I don't mind being vulnerable. Like, I don't give a shit, so people know. Like, it feels like I'm running in place.
You can't be vulnerable with that watch.
No. I didn't say I was broke.
The end result, what is your end result?
Reach.
What do you want to do?
Reach. Hey, there's Pat. In here. Come here.
Oh, we are.
The camera guys are on camera.
Patrick here.
Hello. Hi, guys. For the rest of this year, I do not want to run in place.
Yes.
I don't want to run because, I was talking to him this morning, and it's not your fault. I'll give you the title.
Like the title, yeah, like even utilizing LeBron James, how you guys were talking about LeBron. I think that would have been.
I'm spending $250,000 on personal development. I said, man, I don't think anybody's really going to search that. That's the way I thought about it, right?
That's why I was asking you. What do you want to do with your brand? Because that's a big factor, right? Like, I don't care if I get 1 million views, but if it's the wrong audience, then I want to sell more things. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I was asking, what do you want to do?
I want to reach more real estate people. I want to reach more entrepreneurs, right? Mm-hmm. That's the whole outcome, reach.
I think this is why, what's your goal kind of type of deal, right? Because your guys are looking at, you can easily look at what he's doing, and his goal might be something different.
No.
Yeah.
His goal is exactly the same as me.
Real estate?
Yeah, so
Omnipresence.
I'm growing your brand, right? And I don't know if you guys heard this over the weekend, right? Blessings, thank God. Like, a lot of those people that were there, they're like, I watch your content, right? I heard that so many times, and that's what re-inspired me, because I was just telling him I was pretty discouraged, because I'm like, man, I'm running in place. My Instagram is shot. YouTube is not growing at the capacity that I would like it to.
You know what's really discouraging? When you upload a video, you take all this time and it gets 200 views, and then it's just like, oh.
That's where I'm at.
Yeah. What is the definition of viral for you?
For me, bro, 10,000 views.
I think what you should do, though, what considered viral is your click-through rate. If you're at 12% to 15% of YouTube search, then that's viral, because then now it's recommending it to your channel. Like, your channel's now, that video is being recommended. No matter if the topic is good or not, if YouTube is recommending it to the people who are searching that category, 12 to 15%. If you're in 15%, that's going to be considered evergreen. It's always going to be on the first page. The topic, my first house flip. How many people want to get into real estate? They're doing research. That's his targeted audience. That's the people he's attracting.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
You know why? What do you think about new Kanye? I'm gonna relate this somehow.
New Kanye?
Yeah, his albums and stuff.
They were calling it luxury rap.
Yeah, exactly.
It wasn't relatable at that time.
Exactly. Well, and I can't relate. I don't have a private jet. You know what I'm saying? So, but I can relate a lot. Let's say I'm doing a house flip, and how many people want to get into real estate versus how many people can make 300 or buy apartment complexes, right? Or buying a 700,000 apartment complex, or spending what's more relatable? Yeah. That's something you got to think about too.
What was the dynamic of the video? It was just a Hawaii.
I just was uploading videos. My thing is, I always tell them is just upload. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to hurt us. Like James. We've been uploading every single Monday and Thursday. So what he's doing, he's shooting right now, and then he just uploads to a drive, and then Derek does everything else.
He chops it up?
Yeah, he chops it up. I don't focus on Instagram because Instagram is a never-ending loop. If you don't have that much time, spend your time on what's going to last forever. That's why I'm just YouTube. I'm trying to get into TikTok, but I'm still kind of like new to it. I know you've been uploading TikTok videos, but I know what you're talking about, cutting it up and things like that. Like Gary Vee, you met Gary Vee. Is there a short clip of that somehow on the internet?
Lyle would have it.
See, that's something that we're probably missing out on is just record. And you want to have topics ready to go. So they have about 10 topics ready for me. I look at the topics, I'm like, oh shit, actually on Tuesday I have a meeting about this topic. So just mic me up and just record me about the topic. And I'll know that topic in my head. So I'll be kind of going back to reference to it. So when I get pulled away, I'm like, oh, gotta go back.
You know what, bro? With me, right? I think the easiest thing to do is, like you said, just record me doing business every day.
Do you have a sheet of topics you're ready to knock out or no? Because once you have your title in your head and you go in there and you start getting away, you're like, oh, you just got to do it enough for him to get 10 minutes or 5 minutes of video. You know what I'm saying? And they literally go by SEO and how searchable they are for leads and calls. They give me a list and I just like, oh shit, I got to do these. So, you have the video thing. So you have your pre-roll where it says skip, but then you have your display ads, which are right here, which is another video. These work better than your pre-rolls. The pre-rolls are more if you're trying to brand, kind of like if you're going down the street and you see a billboard. People don't want to and watch the pre-roll because they went to that video.
Skip it.
Yeah, they went to the video to watch the video, not to go and watch
do that all the time.
You know what I'm saying? So this is an ad, but they click on it. What happens when you click one channel? What happens when the recommended starts to recommend you more from that channel?
I think it's only a matter of time too when we get to that level where we start becoming recommended to some of these other guys' channels.
And that's why we're running the display ads. We're running a little bit of these, but mostly display because we want them to click on it. Because once they click into it, now there's
interest.
There's interest. Don't forget new content every single Mondays and Thursdays. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, we have a lot of people like Carlos Reyes coming through on the channel recently. So if you enjoy this, also give them a follow if you haven't.
Yeah.
Where can they find you at?
Carlos Reyes, official Carlos Reyes. I mean, there's a reason why I'm here. Like, I've been here for 2 hours, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to be 30 minutes.
This dude knows a thing or two about marketing, so.
Damn, appreciate it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. See you next weekend.